Alright, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today, what I have for everyone is another unboxing and first impressions of another inexpensive pair of truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. But before we dive into the video and I give y'all my first impressions and we go through the unboxing, let me get some housekeeping out of the way up front. So this video here today is being recorded using the rear-facing 12 megapixel camera on the S7 Active, the Samsung Galaxy S7 Active, and it is also being recorded in 720p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, your feedback is greatly appreciated. Alright? That being said, if you guys and gals enjoyed this video and or you found it helpful in any way, shape, form, or fashion, please help your boy out and give the video a thumbs up. As well as if you want to see more content like this, feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. Alright? That being said, housekeeping done, now let's dive into this unboxing and first impressions. And I do apologize because I know I'm going to butcher this name. So this is my unboxing and first impressions of the Kkuyi True Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds. Alright, now let me tell y'all the story behind why I decided to pick these up. So I was perusing Amazon, as I always do. You guys and gals know I have sleep issues, so I don't sleep well. And when I can't sleep, I pretty much online window shop, alright? And once I find a really good deal, then I go ahead and pull the trigger on it, alright? So, I was perusing Amazon, and I came across the Galaxy Buds, which were on sale for like $95 to $110. Used. Those weren't even brand new. Those were used. The brand new ones were on sale for $130. And I'm thinking to myself, damn. That's kind of, I don't know if that's worth it. That's kind of expensive. And then I'm thinking, okay, can I find something with a similar look and a similar feature set to the Galaxy Buds at a lot cheaper price? And so I got to searching and I came across these. These pretty much can do every and almost everything that the Galaxy Buds can do, and they are pretty much a third of the price. So I picked these up from Amazon for $33 after taxes at checkout. And now let's go ahead and see if they're up to snuff. Alright, so that's the story behind these, the Kkuyi True Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds. Alright, so starting off with the packaging. Now, as I always do, I already cut all the tapes and seals off camera, so hopefully there should be hashtag minimal struggles in this video. But starting off with talking about the overall packaging and presentation, they have done a great job. So you can see up front, we got the company branding up here, company logo. We got a picture of the product, and we got some core specifications. So Bluetooth 5.0, they got hi-fi drivers on board. You do have access to your voice assistants, and they should give you 5 hours of playtime. All right. So really good layout, really nice presentation there. And then on the side, we just got some barcode information right here. On the top is bare. On the other side is bare. And then right here, we got some company information here on the bottom. Yep, this is the bottom. So you can see this is the model number. Again, the product name and the company that produced it along with their address and everything. All right, so that's not too bad. And then on the back here, we get some more specifications. So again, the model number is the X2. We get the earbud battery capacity. So 40 milliamp hours on the individual buds, and they take approximately 60 minutes to reach a full charge. Then we got charging speeds for the case itself. So it also takes approximately 60 minutes to reach a full charge. And on a full charge, the buds will get you 5 hours of usage. All right. And on a full charge, including the case, you should get 24 hours of usage. And then we got the weight, the size, and the dimensions of the buds themselves, and that's pretty much it. So I like this packaging. Very clean, very straightforward, and very to the point. Alright? So good stuff there. Alright? And on the side note, this is a reshoot because I tried to shoot this unboxing and first impressions with the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019, and the exposure was just so bad that I couldn't expose y'all to that. So we are reshooting this. So y'all can see the earbuds, it already powered itself on, because it powers itself on as soon as you open the case. But I still tried to repackage it exactly like how it was out of the box. So lifting the lid, you can see we have the charging case itself really nicely presented, and then we have the individual earbuds themselves really nicely presented, along with the included charging cable. All right, so popping the case out, I have to say this is a really nice case. Now, just so y'all can get an idea of the size, it's really small. Now, I have small to medium sized hands, and y'all can see even in my hands, it's a very tiny case here. And I do like the fact that they have this like matte material, so when I'm holding it, it doesn't really slide around. So really small, compact case with nice material on it. So that's really cool. Let's walk around the case real quick. So here's the lid. Okay, company branding on the top. On the back, we have, ooh, yes, USB Type-C port on the back. And these bad boys are also supposed to support wireless charging. So I should be able to drop this on my wireless charging pad and they should charge up. And then if I open the case, oh, that's the back, my bad. If I open the case, this front, nice lid with a little thumbnail groove for you to open it up. We do have a one LED indicating the charge level of the case, and then this is where the buds will sit to get charged up. So really nice case. I like it. Okay, boom, good stuff there. And it does look like the case is fully charged, so all I have to do is drop the buds in here to get them charged up. So really nice charging case. Now let's take a look at the buds themselves. So popping out the right one, you can see it's very nicely labeled. Now, as soon as I opened the case, it powered on the buds and they went into pairing mode. So it did pair up to the left bud already, and it's waiting for me to connect it up via my smart device. But you can see it's really nicely labeled. So this is the right earbud. Okay. And then here's what the buds themselves look like. So they do have the small earbud size on them. Okay. And I could tell y'all that size right there pretty much is not going to do it for me, but I'll show y'all what they look like in my ears at the end of the video. But yeah, really nice, small, compact size, very similar to the Galaxy Buds, and that's what I was going for. So let's put these right here. All right, and now let's take a closer look at the left bud. Again, very similar, nicely labeled there. Okay, and they are supposed to have some really good sound on them as well. So really good stuff in terms of the buds. Let's rest that down right there. Now let's see, got the charging cable up front. So this is regular USB-A to USB-C. And this is what I like to see. For this price of $33, which is relatively inexpensive, USB Type-C, that's what I'm talking about, baby. Oh yes. So really nice, high quality cable. Looks very durable and sturdy. It is a little short, but really nice to see that they included the USB Type-C cable. Good stuff there. Let's rest this off to the side. Now underneath, you would get the user manual, which I've already taken out and opened up. It's a pretty big user manual. I'm going to show y'all in a second here. But you get the user manual on top, and you get the earbud sizes. Now it comes with the smallest size on the buds already, but you do get small, medium, and large earbud tips. And I do recommend you go through this and you take the time to find the perfect fit, because that's going to do two things. That's going to improve the overall comfort level of the earbuds when you're using them, and it's going to give you that nice sound isolation. So you definitely want to take the time to find the perfect fit with the included earbud tips. All right, really good stuff there. Then, aside from the earbud tips, we have two things. If I can get it out. We got a warranty card right here. Let me hold this up for y'all. So you do get 1 year warranty on the product. Okay, hit up that email address down below if you have any issues. So pause and read this up. All right, so you got your warranty card, and along with your purchase, they will give you a free product here. Okay, and if you enjoy the product, you can always help them out by doing a review. Alright? So we might just do that. I might just do that just so I might give y'all away something. But honestly, y'all, your boy's kind of strapped for cash. And if I do a giveaway for y'all, I'm going to want to be able to ship it. And at this time, your boy can't really ship anything. So, I don't know. I'll have to see what I can do. But inside here, you get your warranty card and you get your free gift. All you have to do is send them your order number and they'll send you over a free product. So, that's nice. Let's throw this off to the side now. Okay? And that's everything that came in the box. So overall presentation was really good on these. I really like that. Okay? Now, real quickly, I just want to show y'all, because as I said, this is a reshoot. Before we go over the user manual and wrap the video up, I just want to show y'all what they look like in my ears. Now, I did already take a selfie with the Google Pixel first generation, the Google Pixel XL first generation, and this is what they look like in my ears, y'all. So you can see, honestly, I like these. From front on, you can't really tell that I have earbuds in my ears. And even with this nice side profile, they fit really, really nicely. Now, I can tell you, these small earbud tips do move around in my ears, so I do have to adjust that. But the overall look and feel of these is really, really good. So you can get an idea of how they look in my ears and on my head. Not bad. Not bad at all. Alright, so that's how they look. Alright. That Google Pixel XL taking some great photos, boy. Great photos. Now, before we truly bring the video to a close, let's go ahead and wrap up with walking through of the user manual. Now, this user manual is pretty big because it comes in 4 different languages. Okay, so I'm going to pan through on the camera so y'all can check it out. And I'll try to pause on each one. So regardless of whatever language you speak, you should be good to go. Alright, so starting off, we're going to do this side first. And let me fold it down just to make it easy. Now, if I fold it down, I'm going to get confused. We're just going to do it like this. Okay, so we'll do one side here, and then we'll flip it over, and we'll do the other side. So, now, let me pan through this user manual for y'all. So, up top here, we got English. Alright, so I do need to fold it down so y'all can see. Alright, hold on. Alright, so the top section is English, as y'all can see right there. So we got the pairing steps. Alright. And we got what all the LED indicators mean and the light prompts here. Okay. So good stuff there. The left or the right earbud does different things depending on what you're trying to do. So y'all can see that there. And we got what all the light indicators mean right there. Okay, so that's English. Now if this is unclear, I'll take pictures and throw it up in post like I always do. Alright, and then on the bottom half here, looks like we got Chinese or Japanese of the same thing. Alright. And then if we fold it open again, alright, looks like we have Spanish or French. Alright, and I'm not sure what the rest of these are. Just so y'all know, funny story, I only know a little bit of French and English. So that's pretty much the only languages that I can make out right off the top. And I do like anime, so y'all know that Japanese, you know, I can pretty much make some of that out off the top. But here are your different languages. Alright. Okay. So very clean, very straightforward, you know. They already told you the specifications on the box. So the user manual itself is just primarily to go over the functions of the buds and the pairing steps. Now, if that was unclear, I'll throw up a screenshot in post of what y'all need to know. And as always, in the full review, we'll go over everything y'all need to know. So by the end or the conclusion of my full coverage, you guys and gals should get a really nice overall idea of what the earbuds can do and whether or not they're worth picking up in your opinion, or in my opinion rather. Okay? So y'all be on the lookout for my coverage of this product. Alright? So that pretty much does it of my unboxing and first impressions of the Kkuyi True Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds. Alright? Now, yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Y'all have a good day, and I'll catch y'all on my next video. Peace, everyone. We out of here. Alright, y'all. So, real quickly, I wanted to just add this on to the end of the unboxing and first impressions video for the Kkuyi True Wireless Earbuds. So, I want to show y'all what they look like while they're charging, and I also want to show y'all that they do support wireless charging. So I got one of my wireless chargers hooked up here. We have the cable ran, and it's ready to go. Now, first thing I want to show y'all, and I want to point out a negative that I noticed already using them after a few minutes. So, when you open the case and the earbuds are charging up, right, you'll get this red LED indicating that they are charging. Now, the negative that I noticed already is that with certain size ear tips on, it doesn't get that nice seat for the charging. So I did actually have to take off the large earbud tips that work perfectly for my ears before they would seat properly in the charging case. So that's a negative right there. I think it's because of how they have the magnetic pins lined up, so you have to angle it properly and then make sure it clicks down into place, and then when it's charging properly, you'll see this red LED that stays lit, and then when they're fully charged, I believe it turns off. Alright, so it's a negative, but you can still get it to work, so I just wanted to show y'all what they look like while they're charging. Alright, and I already have a timer going because it's supposed to take 1 hour to reach a full charge. So I dropped them on at 2 o'clock, and I don't have my watch on, okay? But at 3 o'clock, we'll come back and see if they're fully charged. That being said, the wireless charging case is fully charged already, but I just wanted to show y'all that it does support wireless charging. So here we go. Gonna drop it on my wireless charger now. And when it's on my wireless charger flashes green. And you can see wireless charging, it pulsates, okay? So this is red, wireless charging, and then when it's fully charged, it turns green. So I just wanted to show y'all that real quickly, and now we're done. All right, catch you on the next one. Peace, everybody.